And before my surgery, I was having a very difficult time walking. Just really couldn't get around, and I help with a big art society here, and we have a big show. And a year ago, I was in the show and trying to run it, and really was having a terrible time walking. I had a brace on at that time. Dr. Johnson and I had tried many different things, injections and braces and all sorts of things. And finally, one day I made an appointment, came into her office and said, this is just really not working for me. Dr. Johnson, when I came back to her and said, my life is being compromised now, I'm not very happy with this, she said, well, you have two choices. You can have an ankle fusion or we can do an ankle replacement. So we decided to go with the joint replacement. I went into a rehab facility for 2 weeks after the surgery. They took really good care of me. It gave me a really good start. I was non-weight bearing for about 6 weeks and then could slowly start to put some weight on my foot. And since then, my life is much better. I can walk wherever I want. I don't need to use a cane anymore. That's a big deal for me. I'm not skiing anymore. I was a professional skier, and one of the problems with my ankle was that I had a lot of athletic injuries and a lot of arthritis because of those injuries, and I was an athlete for so long, mistreated myself. I wouldn't trade it, but anyway, I paid the price, and now Dr. Johnson has got me on the run again, so I'm very excited about it. She was very personable, very caring, very down to earth, told me exactly what was going to happen and how it was going to happen, and I've been, as I say, very pleased with the results.